So this is Apple's iPhone 13 mini, and it's the smallest iPhone that Apple brought out this year with its iPhone 13 lineup. Now I picked this one up in black, and it's the 128 gigabyte model, so it's the base model at the lowest cost for the iPhone 13 mini. So let's unbox this. I'll also be comparing it to last year's iPhone 12 mini, and we'll take a look at some of the differences and what you can expect if you're looking to buy it. Let's get started. Wow, a little bit dramatic with that one. And there it is, the iPhone 13 mini in black. Really nice black. It's actually not super black, but it does have a nice color to it. We'll take a closer look at that in a bit. But once again, let's go through the one accessory, and that's basically your Lightning to USB-C cable. You do get some manuals, some paperwork, and your SIM ejection tool, and then your one lonely Apple sticker. Now, taking a closer look at this iPhone 13 mini, I noticed that the color on the back is not necessarily a black or space gray. It actually has a blue hue to it, which means it's going to be that midnight color. It actually suits it pretty good. So keep that in mind if you're planning on purchasing this, that it is very dark, but it seems like it's a little bit blue. Now, as for buttons, ports, and features on the iPhone, first off on the left side, you have your volume buttons up and down. You have your silence or mute switch, and then towards the bottom side, you have your SIM card slot. The right side is simply the side button to power on and off and activate Siri, and the bottom has your lightning port and then your openings for your speaker and vents. Over to the back side here, you can definitely see the bigger cameras and the diagonal positioning. Side by side with the iPhone 12 mini here, you can see how the look has changed. Now with these bigger cameras means you're getting bigger and better sensors inside. You're going to be able to allow more light, which means you're going to take better photos, better videos. Other than that, you pretty much have the 12 megapixel cameras, dual cameras as you did with the iPhone 12 mini. They're just going to perform better. And what's great is with the iPhone 13 and 13 minis, you do get that cinematic mode within the camera app as well. Now, basically what the cinematic mode does is give you the ability to use portrait mode with videos. And you can see on screen how cool that looks where you're focusing in on the subject and the background is being blurred out. So it's nice that they included that with the iPhone 13 mini as well. Over to the front side, the first thing you'll notice is the notch and that it's gone down in size. Comparing it to the iPhone 12 mini, you can see the size difference right there. Now, I'm not sure exactly what benefit that's going to have for us. I've been looking for a way to add maybe the percentage on the battery, but I just cannot find any benefit here other than it's got smaller. With that being said, you still have your camera in the middle there, and that's still a 12 megapixel camera with Face ID. It's going to allow you to do all your selfies and things like that. You also have your speaker, which now, as I mentioned in the other videos, is pushed right up against the metal. Now, taking a look at the screen itself, you are getting the same 5.4-inch display that was available on the iPhone 12 mini here. Not much has changed at all in that aspect, other than a little bit of real estate you get where the notch shrunk down. You're going to have a 2340 by 1080 resolution, which is the same again as the 12 mini. As for battery life, you've got the bigger battery here, so you should get about 1.5 hours more than you did with the 12 mini. So that's nice that they've added that in. You are going to get the same A15 bionic chip that's found in the Pro models, so you're getting the best of the best there, and it does give you a little bit faster speeds, better performance with games and high intense applications as well. So all in all, I've always been a big fan of the mini versions of iPhones. I find them to be really useful, especially when you're on the go and you need a smaller phone that can pretty much handle all your day-to-day needs. And now with the bigger battery on the 13 mini, it's definitely one of my favorites once again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. If you're looking for more content, I did unbox the iPhone 13 Pro with the Sierra Blue, and I also unboxed the iPhone 13 Pro Max in gold. So definitely check out those videos. They're available on the channel. Links are in the description as well. If you have any questions regarding this phone, or if you're going to purchase one of these, let me know in the comments. I'm curious to know what you think of this new color, or if you're purchasing a different color. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more iPhone 13 videos. There's tons on the way. And don't forget to hit that bell notification box to be notified when I post those videos. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.